Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to deal with Instagram shadow ban. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Have you encountered shadow ban from Instagram? Instagram shadow ban refers to the restricting of a user's content. Instagram will not inform or notify you that it's already happening. If you're shadow banned, your content will not be shown on anyone's feed, the Explore section, or Reels. Only your followers can view your content as you share new posts, stories, or Reels. Instagram secretly shadow bans accounts to prevent users who are not complying with their terms to share content. If you notice that you are losing followers, and there's a decrease in engagement in your Instagram account, you might be experiencing a shadow ban. If you use too many hashtags, you are at risk of getting shadow banned as well. When using hashtags, make sure that your content is relevant to that hashtag. This allows you to prevent people from choosing the option "Don't show" for this hashtag as they view your content. Here's how to check if you're shadow banned. Go to your Instagram account's settings menu. If you're using a professional account, you might view this settings menu. It is possible to view your account status using a personal account. From this list of settings, choose Account. Then look for Account Status. You can also find the account status under the Help section. It will redirect you to this page as well. From this page, you can see if you have posted anything that violates the community guidelines. Since we haven't violated any guidelines, this is shown on the account status page. It means that the content that we share on our account doesn't violate any guidelines, and the post can be seen by anyone in places such as Explore, Reels, or Feed recommendations. In this section, you can view the link to view the community guidelines. Next, search for hashtags. This is another way to check if you're shadow banned. First, create an Instagram post and include a hashtag that is not used by thousands of people. Then use the help of other people who are not following your Instagram account to check if they can find your Instagram post using that hashtag. If they don't see it, your account is most likely to be shadow banned. Let's take a look at this example. You may see this message that the recent posts for this user or hashtag relevant to the user are hidden. Next, contact Instagram support. If you notice that your account might be shadow banned, then you can report it. Tell support that you're experiencing low engagement rates or your posts are not showing up on feeds on accounts that don't follow you yet. You can also use your browser and look for Appeal Instagram account. Then select this link. Use this form and provide your information. Explain the situation and why your content should not be removed. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works, we have a marketing app that can help you get leads using PostInfluence. You can find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do-follow links. Use ranking sites and no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. The full details on the sites using rank, traffic, and more. Get the email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. PostInfluence gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. Discover high-quality blogs and sites in any niche, inbuilt flow system, and automatically stop campaign when your prospect responds. Build listings for free, fresh backlinks 24/7, and support. It provides accurate information about blog ranking, traffic, and backlink value. Build an endless supply of backlinks from website that Google loves hands-free. Get backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. Find the perfect sites to target. Outreach automation and trade in guest posts and links. So try PostInfluence now. Go to getpostinfluence.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.